So one thing to note about Microsoft Excel is that it can open multiple file types. So the typical Microsoft Excel extension will be something like a XL or an XLS. If you look here, when you're opening a file and you look at all file or Excel file types, you can see there's different file extensions. There's XML files that can be opened. And the way that Microsoft Excel will interpret that data is depending on how that data is formatted in the actual file. So you can see here that you can directly open a CSV file or a TXT file. Now, in a lot of cases, or most cases, the TXT file and the CSV file are common. Basically, a CSV file is a comma separated valued file format. So the columns are separated by commas. And a lot of cases, the text file will have the same thing. It's just the extension is different. So you can open up both of those inside of Microsoft Excel. You can also, like I said, open up XML files and other file types. So if you're looking for a file and you don't see it in your project folders, if you change the file type to all files, you'll see that it will show all the files based on their extension, and you can see the Microsoft Excel icon next to these CSV files. So by doing that, you'll be able to open up this file. It'll even give you a preview over here to the right-hand side of what it happens to be. Sometimes at the top, it'll have the column headings. So if I open up this one, the CSV file, even though it's in a Microsoft Excel file, you'll see that it's got columns and it's got headings. And now we can work with this data. So you can see we've got northing and easting here. And if you want to bring this into a survey controller, you really want to get rid of all the other columns and only have the northing and easting, maybe the elevation that you're working with. And in this case, we don't have a point number or a code associated with that point. And we could go ahead and create that. And we'll show you how to do that in following videos. But just wanted to let you know that the Microsoft Excel, even though it's not an Excel file, you can still open a CSV file inside of Microsoft Excel and start working with that data.